Are you struggling to navigate Excel efficiently? Learn the basics of the Excel interface and worksheet navigation with these helpful tips. Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we will go through the fundamentals of Excel, including understanding Excel worksheets and cells, navigating and selecting cells, using keyboard shortcuts in Excel, etc. So, let's get started. Excel is a spreadsheet program that is used to store, organize, and manipulate data. A workbook is made up of one or more worksheets. Each worksheet is divided into rows and columns, and each box where a row and column intersect is called a cell. These cells are used to store data, formulas, and functions. Navigating and selecting cells is an essential part of using Excel. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move around the worksheet, or you can use the mouse to click on cells. To select a cell, click on it with your mouse or use the arrow keys to move to it and press Enter. To select a range of cells, click and drag your mouse over the cells, or use the Shift key and arrow keys to select multiple cells. Keyboard shortcuts are a quick and easy way to navigate and work in Excel. Here are a few useful keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+C, copy. Ctrl+V, paste. Ctrl+X, cut. Ctrl+Z, undo. Ctrl+F, find. Ctrl+A, select all. Moving and copying data in Excel is a crucial skill to have. To move data, select the cells you want to move, click and drag the cells to the new location, and release the mouse button. To copy data, select the cells you want to copy, press Ctrl+C, select the destination cells, and press Ctrl+V. In conclusion, Excel is a powerful tool that can help you organize and manipulate data efficiently. Understanding the basics of the Excel interface and navigating worksheets is crucial to work with Excel effectively. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of the fundamentals of Excel. That's it for this video on Basics of Excel Interface and Navigating Worksheets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.